Hey guys, I want to show a new project that I've been working on for the past few weeks or like a month. It's an entirely new programming language actually. It's called MegaScript. Right now it's not very. Right now it's pretty basic. Uh, y- it's still in like development, so I guess this will be version 1.0 Indev, because like I haven't released it yet. But anyway, try it out. So, what you just there's no semicolons in MegaScript. It's kind of like Lua, except the thing about it is I've coded it in a way to try and make it as low level as possible while still being a script language that's interpreted. And I tried making it really fast too. So, for first of all, we got standard calls. We can't make functions yet, but I'm gonna add that really soon. And it's gonna be pretty easy to do, so don't worry. But we've got standard calls like print, so we can print 1. There we go. It printed 1. We can also print a string. We can print a. There we go. It printed a. And oh yeah, I forgot to put a new line character, so it kind of messed up. But let's do that same thing. Actually, let's do BBBB and then put a new line character, and it will hopefully go to the next line. Yep, it went to the next line. There we go. So that's all fine, but if we want to do some math, we're gonna have to use some operators. So let's do 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And we can also do 1.1 plus 3.4, and that should be 4.5. Yep, 4.5. I made printers for I made print calls for integers, both signed and unsigned, but I haven't made one for floating points yet, so I'm just using the standard printf and C. But I'm gonna make my own because the printf and C is kind of limited because you have to specify the amount of decimal points that decimal digits that there are. So I'm gonna make a system that automatically detects how many there are, and it will be dynamically sized whenever you print floating points. But anyway, we've also got subtracting. We can do that. We can get -1. We can also just print -1 entire by itself, and that'll be -1. Print -2, same thing. We also have bitwise operations, so we can do like 1 and then move it over to the left by 1 bit, and that'll be 2. And then we can also do it by 2 bits, and that'll be 4. It's same thing with for 3, 4, 5, etc. It just moves. All that does is it just moves the binary of the number over by 1 bit, or however many bits that you specify. Like right here, I was shifted over by 3 bits, and 1 shifted over by 3 bits is 8. Anyway, same thing for 4. You get 16. Then we get 32, 64, 128, 256, and so on. But anyway, we also got and bitwise operations, so we can do 2 and 1, and that will equal 0 because their bits are not touching, so they are it does not and correctly. So if we want both of them to be accepted, then we're gonna do OR, which is just it's pretty close to C syntax actually. So you can do OR, and that'll be 3. We can do XOR, and that'll still be 3. But if I were to do like 2 XOR 3, then it would just be it'll be 1 because both of the 2 bits are being used, so it only does it equals a 1 if one of the bits is a 1. But anyway, that's enough of the bitwise. We've also got division and also the remainder. So if we do if we did like 10 divided by 3, that wouldn't really be right because that's 9. And you need a remainder, so you're gonna do 10% 3, and it'll give 1. That's the remainder. So that's all cool, but we also have floating points. Oh wait, I already talked about that. Sorry, my memory's kind of bad. But anyway, so adding and subtracting numbers is stuff that's good, but like you're gonna want to also have some variables. So you can also do variables. So we got integer a equals 12, and then we're gonna print a, and that'll be 12. But if you want to do a equals or a plus something, you can also do that. So we can do print a plus 12, and that'll be 24. So yeah, you can also I also kind of stole this from C too, but you can also do a and then equals equals, actually let's do like just random ass number like that. And we can also what we can do is we can get the size in bytes of the variable or whatever you're passing into the size of call. Also, the cool thing about this language is that you can pass pass different variable types. You can pass different data types into the same function, because the way I put it onto the stack is unique. It isn't it isn't just the value. It's also 1 bit that tells the data type, so that tells it how big the data is, which is pretty efficient. So let's do size of a, and it should be 4 because integers are 32-bit, or regular ints are 32-bit, so it should be 4 for 32-bit because 32-bit has 4 bytes in it. We also got 64-bit, and that will have 8, so we can do int a equals a random ass number. Let me make that a little bit different, and then print size of a, and we're gonna get 8 because it's an int 64. Alright, what else do we got? I'm gonna also add, I'm eventually gonna add what is it? I'm gonna add like require libraries, and you'll be able to actually there'll be a math library and all that stuff. I'm gonna at some point, once the language is matured enough, I'm gonna start coding the language in the language. But anyway, like I said, there's no functions and there's also no regular loop statements or anything yet, but there are labels like in assembly, and you can jump to addresses of code. So you can do, let's do int a equals let's do 0, and then we're gonna put a pound symbol, and we're gonna put the name of the label. So we're just gonna call this label. And then we're going to do some stuff. We're just going to print a, and then we're going to make a equals a plus 1. I'm going to also make the plus equals and the times equals and the minus equals, so you don't have to do a equals a plus 1, but I haven't done that yet. So, but don't worry, I'm going to add it. So anyway, so once you've done your code, you just do jump, and then at and the name of the label, and all that does is it just converts the label name to a pointer. It just converts it to where the actual label is in the code. Labels are actually they're put into they're put into a label table on the script whenever the script is parsed. So once the script is actually being executed, all those labels are just gone. They're stored in the memory of the script. They're stored in the memories what is it called? They're stored in the memory's exclusive memory or they're stored in the script's exclusive memory for the labels. But anyway, if we do that and we do jump label, it will start counting a lot. And as you can see, it's pretty fast. You can get some pretty high numbers. Yeah, that's how you do a loop right now. But don't worry, I'm gonna add scopes. I still haven't added scopes yet, but I'm gonna add scopes. And the cool thing about my language is it's gonna be the first hybrid language. Like it's gonna be low level and high level at the same time, and you're also gonna be able to do like assembly like stuff, like where you'll be able to jump to you'll be able to jump to code addresses, but you'll also have block structured functions and in the if statements. Like if you make a variable in an if statement, then it won't be accessible outside of that if statement. And also here, as we can see, whenever a script is executing for too long without a wait, it will exit. And that's to prevent. That's like as a fail-safe if somebody like makes it would be fine, because this language, the really cool thing about this language is the fact that it has pseudo threading. So you can make as many threads as you want, or you can make as many scripts as you want that are all executing at once, but it all will still be using just one thread, because it executes all of the scripts at the same time. It executes one script, like a little chunk of one script's code, and then it executes a little chunk of the other script's code, and then it does all the scripts, and then it loops around and it does it again. So it's really, really, really cool. And it's also fucking fast. Like I tested with JavaScript, and it's about 15 times faster than JavaScript, and I'm pretty sure that JavaScript is faster than Python. So that means that it's faster than Python too. So anyway, I'm gonna show two scripts executing at once. So we're gonna do what we just did. We're gonna do int 64, and we're gonna put a equals 0, and then we're going to make the label I guess that'll be the label, and then we're gonna do the print a, and then we're going to make a equals a plus 1, and then we're going to jump to Now, whenever I execute this, I'm going to try to do it quickly, because I'm going to try to quickly edit the second one, because I want to show two loops running at once and prove that multiple scripts can run at once with one thread. And it does it with like a state system that I made, like that's not kind of unrelated, but it's part of it. That's part of how it works. Unfortunately, I won't actually be able to give the source code until I'm actually kind of, until it's actually kind of widespread and known that I made this, so that I don't get my work stolen. But then I'll make it open source and it'll be cool. But anyway, so we got that, and then I'm just gonna open a text document so I can hurry up and paste the second one. Text editor, and I'm just gonna copy this and put it here. Damn it, I messed up. Okay, so that's gonna be plus, but then we're also gonna do one. Why did that not paste? There we go. Okay, we're also gonna do minus at the same time. We're gonna do minus. So right here we're gonna do plus, and there we go. That's executing. So now what we do is we do this again, and oh shit, wait, I don't. Oh wait. Oh no, I can't do it. Oh shit. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to go and make this, like, actually make the script. Oh wait, shit. Wait. No. That should work, right? Let's see. Well, I mean, let's just do this first. Oh fuck, I didn't even open the damn thing. Okay, so negative works, but like I think it might be the terminal that's not letting me put in two at once because it's already like printing like crazy. And oh yeah, and also it's not okay, I know what to do. I'm gonna skip once I remove what I need to remove. Alright, so I removed the problem. So right here, whenever it's running, if the script is still running and it isn't in a waiting state, it sets the script's finish to 0, and then it won't break the loop. So what was happening was it was stuck in here, so I couldn't like pass in any user input because the user input loop is down here. This is a temporary main function. Like, this whole thing is gonna be an include file, but just to test, I did a main. So the reason, yeah, like it was stuck in the execute MegaScripts, and that's why I wasn't able to type anything. So now that it isn't waiting, let's recompile it, and then we're gonna try that again. So we're gonna put in minus what the now it's not what the hell? Now it's not executing at all. Wait, print 1. Oh. So that's weird. Huh, so it's not even... That is really weird. I don't know why that's happening. If the script timeout, I don't... You know what? Okay, let's just make it break if it's 1. I don't know why it's doing that, but let's try that again. And we're just gonna copy this. What the hell? Oh man, I don't even know why. You know what? Okay, I know what to do. I'm just gonna make it. I'm gonna hard code 2 scripts running at once in here, because there's yeah, like I can't get this to work for some reason, and the terminal won't be able to. I won't be able to put anything in the terminal if there's a process running in it. So let's paste this here, and then yep, that works. Okay, so now we're going to go here, and I'm gonna make 2 scripts. Add MegaScript to environment, and I'm going to, okay, let's just make a new script, 2, and we're gonna do everything that this script does, and we're just gonna enable, we're gonna add the script to the environment and then enable it, and then we're gonna run it. Integers, unsigned integer. Okay, and then we're gonna run it. Yep. And then we're gonna run it, and it should actually wait. I forgot to I forgot to put the code into the script, so I gotta put it here. Where is it? Okay. Make the source equal string copy. Okay. I'm gonna string copy the this line of code into here. Oh shit. Okay. Sorry, I got really bad OCD. Okay. I got script 2 values, and then we're gonna do source, and we're gonna put this in here. Wait, that is not what I wanted to put in there. I don't know why that's in my clipboard. Restrict. Oh wait, I don't even need to. Okay, I don't even need to put a length. I can just do that. All right. So there. Let's get that, and then we're gonna put the line of code that we want to execute in there, and there we go. So we're gonna put that there, and now let's recompile it and then run the same thing but with plus instead of minus, and it should execute this one here after I paste in this one, and it will. What the fuck, is it not doing it? I don't see the plus. Oh no. Oh, God damn it. That's okay. I put in the wrong one. I put in the wrong one. No, what am I doing? Come on. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do plus. I don't know why I didn't do plus. Give me plus. I'm gonna paste that. Wait, it's doing minus. What the that is so. There's something wrong with this text editor. Editor, my bad. Why in the hell is it minus? There we go. Alright, that's all I was trying to show. Okay. So, as you can see, they're both executing at the same time, even though it's one thread. And that's gonna be one of the really, like, one of the selling points of this language is that it can do pseudo threads. They're not real threads, but they're both executing at the same time. And it's kind of like coroutines in Lua, except it's a lot. It'll be a lot more efficient than that. But yeah, I hope that you guys think that this is cool. I'm gonna release a new update soon once I've added more more C-like features. And it'll be pretty cool. I hope you guys like. I hope you guys are gonna be as excited for it as I am, because look, they disabled. But yeah, I hope you guys think that this is cool. I hope that you want to see more commits to this. I don't know. That's a silly word for it, but yeah, this is my new passion project. I'm really having fun making this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.